Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to make these delicious homemade soft and fluffy jumbo strawberry muffins with rich cream cheese. This combination take these muffins to next level of amazing. I usually make these muffins a lot during summer months when fresh strawberries are in season. In case if fresh strawberries aren't available, you can use dried strawberries like I'm using. If you like this recipe, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And yes, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome, and make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell for new videos. Bye!